Fast Belly Fat Loss Hacks, DIY Remedies plus Intermittent Fasting, the 2025 edition. Struggling with stubborn belly fat? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to boost your metabolism and shed those extra pounds, focusing on DIY drinks and intermittent fasting techniques that are trending in 2025. Belly fat is more than just annoying. It's linked to health risks like heart disease and diabetes. The secret to burning belly fat is boosting your metabolism and controlling insulin levels. And guess what? You can kickstart this process with simple, natural remedies at home. Chapter 1. Top 4 DIY Metabolism-Boosting Drinks. First up, let's talk about some amazing DIY drinks that can kickstart your metabolism. 1. Green Tea Elixir. A. How it works. Catechins in green tea increase fat oxidation. B. How to make. Steep green tea. Add freshly squeezed lemon juice, grated ginger, and a teaspoon of honey. C. Recommended intake. 1 to 2 cups daily. D. Testimonial.
I've been drinking green tea every morning for a month, and I've already lost about 9 pounds. My digestion feels better and my cravings are gone. Emily, 34.
E. Recommended product organic green tea bags, Amazon.
2. Apple cider vinegar tonic. A. How it works. Acetic acid may suppress body fat accumulation. B. How to make. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in a glass of water. Add a pinch of cinnamon. C. Recommended intake. Before meals up to 3 times a day. D. Testimonial.
Drinking ACV before meals helped me lose 11 pounds in 6 weeks without changing my diet. My bloating disappeared too. Mike, 40. E. Recommended product Bragg organic apple cider vinegar, Amazon. 3. Spicy metabolism booster. A. How it works. Capsaicin and cayenne pepper can increase metabolic rate. B. How to make. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne, juice of half a lemon, and 1 tablespoon maple syrup in a cup of warm water. C. Recommended intake. Start with once daily, gradually increase to 3 times a day. D. Testimonial.
I was skeptical, but this spicy drink gave me energy and helped me lose about 7 pounds in just 3 weeks. Sarah, 28.
E. Recommended product organic cayenne pepper, Amazon. 4. Lemon ginger detox water. A. How it works. Lemon helps detoxify the body while ginger boosts digestion and metabolism. B. How to make. Add 1 sliced lemon and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger to 1 liter of water. Let it infuse overnight. C. Recommended intake. Drink throughout the day. D. Testimonial.
Drinking lemon ginger detox water every day made my belly feel flatter and improved my digestion in just 2 weeks. Lisa, 32.
F. Recommended product organic ginger powder, Amazon. Chapter 2. Popular intermittent fasting methods. The most recent research on intermittent fasting shows people typically lose 3 to 8% of their body weight. The total amount varies, however, based on how long the person maintains their fasting schedule, whether or not they break the cycle by indulging in food during fasting hours, and their overall physical condition. Here's the best plan.
1. 16-8 method early fasting pattern. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. A. Example. Fast from approximately 5:30 p.m. to 10 a.m. the next day. B. Benefits. Improves blood sugar regulation. Boosts deep and subcutaneous abdominal fat burning and is easy to maintain. C. Mechanism. During fasting, insulin levels drop, encouraging the body to burn stored visceral and abdominal subcutaneous fat for energy. D. Best for beginners and those with busy schedules. E. Testimonial.
16-8 fasting helped me lose 13 pounds in 2 months. I feel lighter and more focused during the day. Daniel, 35. 2-5-2. Diet. Eat normally for 5 days, restrict calories 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. A. Example. Normal eating on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Calorie restriction on Wednesday and Saturday. B. Benefits. Significant weight loss and metabolic improvements. C. Mechanism. Calorie restriction activates cellular repair processes and enhances fat breakdown. D. Best for those who prefer flexible fasting schedules. E. Testimonial.
With the 5-2 diet, I lost 15.4 pounds in 10 weeks without feeling too restricted. It fits perfectly into my busy schedule. Laura, 41.
3. Eat, stop, eat. 24-hour fasts once or twice a week. A. Example. Fast from dinner one day to dinner the next day. B. Benefits. Reduces body fat while preserving muscle mass. C. Mechanism. Prolonged fasting triggers autophagy, a process that helps the body clean out damaged cells and burn fat. D. Best for experienced fasters looking for rapid fat loss. E-testimonial.
Eat, Stop, Eat helped me lose 17.6 pounds in 3 months. My body feels detoxed and I have more energy. Kevin, 39. Bonus tip. Add green tea and black coffee during fasting to boost fat burning even more. Chapter 3. When to see a doctor. While these methods are generally safe for most people, there are some side effects to watch out for. You might experience some dizziness, headaches, or fatigue, especially when starting out.
If you have any underlying health conditions or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, please consult with your doctor before trying these methods.
Chapter 4. Wrap up. So, are you ready to start your belly fat loss journey? Remember, consistency is key. Give these methods a try for at least a month and see how your body responds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite DIY drink recipe. I'd love to hear from you.
Until next time, wishing your health and happiness. Take care.
Next, Weight Management 2.0-Next-Gen Supplements and Nutrition Hacks.